Best circular saws for every DIYer. Looking for the best circular saw to tackle your projects? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Skill 15-amp circular saw. Let's kick things off with the Skill 15-amp 7¼ inch circular saw. Priced at just $59, this saw caught my attention with its powerful motor and user-friendly features. If you want reliable and efficient cuts without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 15-amp motor delivers a solid 5,300 RPM, which means you can slice through wood like butter. The 7¼ inch carbide-typed blade is a great size for various cutting tasks, and the spindle lock makes changing blades super simple. Plus, it has a 51-degree bevel capacity, giving you the versatility to tackle different cutting angles easily. And let's not forget about the dust blower that keeps your line of cut clear, ensuring you can see exactly where you're going. This matters because visibility can really impact the quality of your cuts. Product number 2 is the DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. Next up is the DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. Priced at $99, this cordless sidewinder style saw grabbed my attention with its impressive portability and power. If you want a saw that combines convenience with performance, this is worth a serious look. This saw operates at 5150 RPM, making it capable of cutting through tough materials with ease. The magnesium shoe is not only lightweight, but also provides durability, ensuring your cuts remain accurate over time. With a bevel capacity of 0 to 50 degrees, you can easily tackle a variety of cutting angles. The 6½ inch blade is specifically designed to cut through 2x material at both 90 degrees and 45 degrees, which is crucial for many woodworking projects. The comfort grip helps reduce fatigue and gives you better control, which is essential if you're working on precise cuts. Product number 3. Skill 5080-01 Circular Saw. The third product is the Skill 5080-01 13-amp 7¼ inch circular saw. Coming in at just $39, this saw is impressively priced for the power it offers. If you want an entry-level saw that doesn't compromise on performance, this is worth a serious look. With a 13-amp motor, this saw delivers the power you need for most home projects. It has a 51-degree bevel capacity with positive stops, so you can make angled cuts with confidence. The weight reduction compared to its predecessor makes it easier to handle, which is a huge plus for DIYers who might tire quickly. The spindle lock feature simplifies blade changes, and the improved dust blower keeps your line of cut clear to see exactly where you're cutting. This is particularly important for accuracy when you're trying to make clean cuts. Product number 4, Milwaukee M18 Cordless Circular Saw. Moving on, we have the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Lithium-Ion 6½ inch Circular Saw. Priced at $114.95, this saw stands out with its durable design and powerful performance. If you're in the market for a reliable cordless saw that can handle tough materials, this is worth a serious look. This saw delivers 3,500 RPM, which is perfect for quick cuts through tougher materials like LVL headers. The magnesium guards provide excellent durability and protect the blade from damage. What I really liked is the ergonomic grip, making it comfortable to use for longer periods, which is important if you're tackling big projects. The aircraft aluminum shoe ensures precise cuts, which is crucial for accuracy in framing and carpentry tasks. The versatility of this tool makes it ideal for a range of applications. Product number 5, DeWalt 20V Max Brushless Circular Saw. Finally, we have the DeWalt 20V Max Brushless Cordless Circular Saw, priced at $149. This one caught my eye for its advanced features and safety measures. If you want a top-tier saw that combines safety and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. The brushless motor provides optimal cutting performance, minimizing wear and extending the tool's life. With a bright LED light, visibility during cuts is exceptionally improved, which is key for working in dimly lit areas.
The tool-free bevel lever is a great feature, allowing you to adjust the bevel from 0 to 50 degrees quickly, which is super handy for various cuts. Plus, the electric brake stops the blade quickly, adding a layer of safety, which I think is crucial for anyone working with power tools.
So, to quickly recap, we covered the Skill 15-amp circular saw, DeWalt 20V Max circular saw, Skill 5080-01 circular saw, Milwaukee M18 circular saw, and the DeWalt 20V Max brushless circular saw. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DeWalt 20V Max brushless circular saw because of its safety features and high performance that really stand out.